The SITRANS LT500 features a variety of different alarming and diagnostic options. When we first go into the product at the top level view, we can access the different high and low warning and alarm set points in the setup menu. Navigate to the process values, and here we can see all the different process values that are available. Within each PV, we can see that there is several different alarms which are enabled by default, above and below limits, as well as warnings and in and out of bounds alarms. Each of these alarms and warnings can then be set based on the individual set point found in the same menu. In order to turn one of these alarms into a relay output, we navigate to the Inputs and Outputs menu and select which relay we want to assign those alarms to. Let's say on relay output 4, we want to have a high alarm. Under Mode, we select Alarms and Diagnostics, and from there, Process Alarms. On level point 1, I can select a high or above alarm limit. Save this setting in order to set the relay. Now we can select a different type of alarm on a different relay. For relay 3, let's input a low alarm. We follow the same procedure, selecting Alarms and Diagnostics and Process Alarms. There I can select a low warning and add it to this relay. In order to add a sensor type diagnostic, we can select another type of relay, Alarms and Diagnostics, and Sensor Diagnostics. Here we could add loss of echo, for example, or several other options which you can see available on the screen. Multiple options can be selected and added to the same relay. However, that is a customer preference, and anything that is selected will generate a relay output. Save your settings. Now we can see at our top level view that these new relay options have been entered and they are now showing on the screen.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.